Otherwise, malungil suel ben merkau, man menenga suel la TMC, ma tirar staff ngartiang, rate al el medulitian malgerde bel klum el mura other belau. Magumul wase ngal Steve Kuartei, el mutan mermadu merkau, lo yang ameli diu. Tial TV marasio. Agoten malungil sil sen merkau, lo renas maluwe ko meset tel gerde bel kululu la urungulek. El gire arur ten mora senet, tial maral mel klol senkyo, edel gomsil otru imatalui. Abelwada melmol melolto raber edel au de Suez, marmud, maurungule, el other belal gire el ang, maklugu, tial tel rol, maigel maral mel tel rol. Aber edel alabgo, raul serak raik el blu, amergid el migre el blu edim gasailad, el melmol lultui raklay ungadar, raul dasu, clamadengay, ulsaso, magarlugu. Tial berrad amlam isois, raberedel araktel ablagradel, luldimuk lerni aigel diagal boyu rakt. Aigang udimuk raktel sugal, high blood, kolesterol, heart, makasinoma. Engia dumyang coronavirus, COVID-19, amungu baklang argid, magkaizargid. Yaulo irar adraw gurulak mo, tia dialoral mo ol sa bakakla. Yung bay di mre del time, yung ariate el mutal mo madaray. Magdagora, mnamo del wol, di del wodu, e mingir tia lav kal mengalakla. Mabol sa bedel godur tia lomroled, el bodul aturrong, el blada TV rogul. Kadangara mringil, e metara sul time rabulwad. Magu merangal mo abelau osperar at, el masisi aber reklir. El bodagay sew, em satial ataw, el meenglak, e bodalumol mertial omrole. Makmuil medangalityam, e ngal Steve Kuartei, number 20, Rabalot, olingit ranglung maklangal tanga trakaw, masenkyor kaw. El momtergid rasenet, el almaral mel close senkyo. Agumrang mo temek ang arablur belau, maurerek, ablatakl merkaw. Regal na momrek el okaderak, el karbelaw. E umrang mo sebek el mutan momtergid rasenet. Ang klega Steve Kuartei, number 20 Rabalot, e kakmal mesulang, e masaul, arubak el Dios, e lomakngal tanga tergid, mabaluan. This is Steve Kuartei coming back to you through the airwaves all over Palau and outside of Palau. Let me take this time to thank and wish you who are listening and watching this short statement on my aspirations as a candidate for Senate on this coming general election on November 3rd, 2020. As a nation, as a small nation with small population, our aspirations, our expectations, and our hopes for this and the coming generations is being dwarfed by more developed and rich countries who control economics and commodities around the world. This underlying challenge is made worse by ever devastating threat of lifestyle diseases such as diabetes, hypertension, high cholesterol, heart disease, and cancer. The arrival of COVID-19 has literally rearranged our lives as well as demand that our true characters be put to bear at this critical time in our history. This situation is demanding that as a nation, we must reassess our national priorities, evaluate how we shall continue to move forward toward our destination. We need people who are strongly anchored and committed to debate and articulate our common goals and to weather this rough time and survive the storm and continue our journey as a nation. I believe that my almost 30 years working in Palau, the work that I have been privileged to do in the public and private sector, hopefully will serve to appeal to your consideration on allowing me to continue to serve in the Senate. With full understanding of this difficult time in Palau, that difficult time that Palau will go through, I, Steve Kuartei, number 20 on the ballot, is requesting for your prayers, your thoughts, your vote, to support my aspiration to represent us for this coming general election. Again, my name is Steve Kuartei, number 20 in the ballot. Thank you and God bless you and the Republic of Palau. Sula.